Albert Einstein was a brilliant physicist. He changed the way we think about the universe. His most famous theory is called general relativity. It explains how gravity works. Einstein showed that gravity is not a force. Instead, it is a curvature in space and time. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline. The ball makes the trampoline sag. This is like how massive objects like stars and planets warp space-time. Einstein's ideas were revolutionary. They helped us understand the universe in a whole new way. His theories led to amazing discoveries. These include black holes and the expanding universe. Einstein's work is still important today. Scientists continue to study his theories to learn more about the cosmos. Buddhism is an ancient philosophy and religion. It began in India over 2,500 years ago. Buddhism teaches about the nature of reality and the human experience. Central to Buddhist thought is the idea of impermanence. Everything is always changing, nothing lasts forever. Buddhism also emphasizes interconnectedness. Everything is connected. Our actions have consequences. We are all part of a web of life. Consciousness is another key concept in Buddhism. It is the ability to be aware of ourselves and the world around us. Buddhists believe that consciousness exists beyond the physical body. They also believe in reincarnation. This means that when we die, our consciousness is reborn into a new life. Buddhism offers a path to enlightenment. This is a state of freedom from suffering. It is achieved through meditation and ethical living. While Einstein was a physicist, not a Buddhist scholar, there are some interesting parallels between his scientific ideas and Buddhist concepts. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests a universe that is dynamic and interconnected. This resonates with the Buddhist notion of impermanence and interdependence. For instance, Einstein showed that space and time are not absolute but relative. They are interconnected and can be warped by matter and energy. This echoes the Buddhist understanding of reality as fluid and interconnected, where everything influences everything else. Moreover, Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared demonstrates the interconnectedness of energy and matter. This resonates with the Buddhist concept of dependent origination, which states that all phenomena arise from a web of interconnected causes and conditions. While these parallels are intriguing, it is essential to avoid overstating the connection between Einstein's physics and Buddhist philosophy. They are distinct systems of thought. However, exploring their points of convergence can offer a richer understanding of both. Even the most groundbreaking scientific theories are not set in stone. They are constantly being tested and refined as new discoveries emerge. In recent years, some observations have challenged certain aspects of Einstein's theories, suggesting there may be more to the universe than we currently understand. One such challenge arises from the study of dark energy. This mysterious force seems to be accelerating the expansion of the universe, a phenomenon not fully explained by general relativity. Scientists are actively investigating the nature of dark energy and its implications for our understanding of gravity. Another area of active research is the behavior of gravity on extremely small scales, such as those found within black holes or at the moment of the Big Bang. At these extreme conditions, the laws of physics as we know them may break down, requiring new theoretical frameworks. These challenges to Einstein's theories are not failures, but rather opportunities. They drive scientific progress and push us to expand our understanding of the cosmos. The nature of consciousness and what happens after death are questions that have intrigued humanity for millennia. Science and Buddhism offer different perspectives on these profound mysteries. From a scientific viewpoint, consciousness is generally understood as an emergent property of the brain. While the exact mechanisms are still being unraveled, most neuroscientists believe that consciousness arises from complex electrical and chemical activity within the brain's intricate networks. In contrast, Buddhism posits that consciousness is not limited to the physical body and can exist independently of it. Death, from a Buddhist perspective, is not an end but a transition, a process of the consciousness separating from the physical form and eventually taking rebirth in a new life. While these viewpoints may seem contradictory, they reflect different ways of approaching the same fundamental questions. Science investigates the physical processes of life and death, while Buddhism explores the nature of experience and the continuity of consciousness beyond the physical realm. Section 6, the afterlife, a realm beyond scientific inquiry. The concept of an afterlife, a realm beyond our current physical reality, has captivated human imagination across cultures and throughout history. However, from a purely scientific standpoint, the afterlife remains a speculative concept. Science relies on empirical evidence, observations, and experiments to understand the natural world. The afterlife, by its very nature, lies outside the realm of our current scientific instruments and methods. While near-death experiences and accounts of past lives offer intriguing glimpses, they are often subjective and open to interpretation. They do not provide conclusive scientific evidence for the existence of an afterlife. Despite the lack of scientific verification, the question of what happens after death remains a deeply personal and spiritual one. Many people find solace and meaning in various religious and philosophical beliefs about the afterlife. Section 7. The dance of science and spirituality, a quest for understanding. Science and spirituality, often perceived as separate domains, are ultimately both facets of humanity's quest to understand the universe and our place within it. While their approaches differ, they share a common thread of curiosity, awe, and a desire to unravel the mysteries of existence. Science, with its emphasis on empirical evidence and rigorous testing, excels at explaining the physical world, unraveling the laws of nature and advancing our technological capabilities. Spirituality, on the other hand, delves into questions of meaning, purpose, and the realm of human experience that extends beyond the material. Rather than viewing science and spirituality as conflicting forces, it is more fruitful to see them as complementary lenses through which we can explore the richness and complexity of the universe. They offer different perspectives on the same reality, each enriching our understanding in unique ways. Section 8, Embracing the Unknown, the Future of Inquiry. As we stand at the frontiers of scientific discovery, we are constantly reminded of how much we still don't know. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, holds countless mysteries yet to be unraveled. The quest to understand the nature of dark energy, the origins of the universe, and the workings of consciousness are just a few of the exciting challenges that lie ahead. New technologies and innovative approaches to research promise to push the boundaries of our knowledge even further. Equally important is the ongoing dialogue between science and spirituality. As we delve deeper into the nature of reality, questions of consciousness, the meaning of life, and our place in the cosmos will continue to intrigue and inspire us. Section 9, Conclusion. A Universe of Wonder. From the mind-bending theories of Einstein to the ancient wisdom of Buddhism, humanity has long sought to comprehend the universe and our place within it. While we have made remarkable strides in our understanding, the cosmos continues to hold countless mysteries, inspiring awe and wonder. As we continue to explore the universe, both scientifically and spiritually, we must remain open to new discoveries, embrace the unknown, and never lose sight of the profound beauty and interconnectedness of all things. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and the universe, with its infinite possibilities, awaits our exploration.